Hello and welcome to week 4 of Educational Research. Can you believe you're more than halfway finished with the course? As I've shared in each session, this course is very intense and you need to recognize that it is important to keep up with the reading and the portions of the research proposal that are due each week. For those of you who are behind, I encourage you to spend a little extra time this week to catch up. The review of the literature, which was to be submitted during week 2, is the foundation on which you build your case for conducting your study. Why did you decide to choose the topic you did? What do you hope to find that is similar to previous research? What do you hope to find that is different from previous research? These are the questions you may want to consider as you work toward completing your revised research proposal. Remember, you will put together everything that you do in weeks 1 through 6 for the final proposal you submit during week 7. Your research proposal should look similar to a thesis or a study conducted by a creditable group. It should flow seamlessly from one section to another. Hopefully, you completed the methodology satisfactorily during week 3, and that too can be integrated into your paper in paragraph form. During week 4, we covered chapters 10, 14, 15, and 16. I enjoyed reading your discussion board exchanges regarding experimental research designs. We do revisit experimental research in chapter 10. As many of you noted, experimental research is the most rigorous and most describable form of scientific inquiry. Experimenters who control the conditions under which an event occurs have distinct advantages over those who simply observe, watch, or study an event without control. Also included in Chapter 10 is a discussion regarding validity and its importance in experimental research. Read Chapter 14 on survey research very carefully, as surveys are widely used to gather information on many things. More than likely, you participated in customer satisfaction surveys, opinion surveys, or even political poll surveys. Interviews and questionnaires are the major means of data collection in the survey method. The advantages of personal interviews conducted in a face-to-face setting are the flexibility and the ability of the interviewer to press for additional information when a response seems incomplete. In addition, personal contact increases the likelihood that the individual will participate and will provide the desired information. The disadvantages are time and expense involved in personal interviews, as well as possible interviewer bias. You may choose to use focus groups, where several individuals can be interviewed at the same time. This is often used in qualitative research. You may have participated in focus groups in church or other organizational settings. The lower cost of telephone interviews and faster completion rates can be a good choice too. However, in telephone interviews, the interviewer has less opportunity for establishing rapport. Also, one must be skilled in telephone interview techniques for valid results because complex questions are often difficult for respondents to follow. Also, even in this digital age, there are many households without phones. This will be continued in the second video. Thank you.